Installing Xerox Cloud Terminal. To start, we need to add a printer. Navigate to Printers. Click Add. Give the printer a name. Set the vendor to Xerox. Add the IP address or DNS name for the printer. Description is optional. Set the model family. Enter the device serial number. This is essential and can be found from the printer's web UI. Enable the embedded software toggle and select your profile from the embedded configuration drop-down menu. Ensure you select the only available entry for document output service. Click Save. Click Embedded Clients. Click the installation icon. Check the box associated with your printer and click Manual Operations. Installation is performed by a utility download and run from your local computer. The Terminal Deployment Tool. Download the Terminal Deployment Tool for your operating system. Copy the full command from the Install and Configure window. Once downloaded, unzip the Terminal Deployment Tool. Open a PowerShell or terminal window in this location, paste the Install and Configure command. Make sure to replace the placeholder of replace with MFD password with the actual password for the device. Press Enter to run the command. Installation should take 30 to 60 seconds, after which Secure Print and Scan will be available on the device. Please note, VersaLink devices will need a manual reboot post-install for all required changes to take effect. Back in the admin portal, go into Endpoints, check the box, and click Authorize Selected. The device is now ready to use.